Dear dentist, I have a piece of advice. Dental marketing advice with an ethical approach. Marketing for dental practices must balance both strategies with ethical consideration to build trust and long-term patience. You have to build trust through transparency, but you have to clearly state your services, pricing, and qualifications. Don't do it like misleading them. Do it ethically. Follow the guidelines of your local dental association regarding advertising and avoid exaggeration. And always ask for a mentorship from dental marketing practitioner. Focus on patient education, not just promotion. Create informative content, blogs, videos, webinars to educate patients about oral health. That's it for today. Position your clinic as a trusted source rather than just a simple practice. It is a business indeed, but you should always be ethical. Thank you very much.